Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It is going to be a 2 days trip. We're going to Pondicherry, the French settlement of India. That is Krishna. We both are riding together today. Hi. Yeah, so let's go. We'll stop here for breakfast before we take left towards Chennai. And we are heading out towards Tirunelveli road. It is around 8:20 in the morning and we have covered some 100 plus kilometers and another 200 kilometers to go. We thought of taking the Ranipet highway. Ambur kina Bangalore ne shana biryani undedi Ambur biryani lo. Ambur main road lane rendu mooda kanbada ante. You launch fog clear in kada? Clear aita. Finally we have come 200 kilometers long distance from Bangalore and we have 150 more to go. So this is the Ranipet bridge, the Arcot bridge. We don't want to go to Tirunelveli road. The road is not that good. It is a single road, ah? Oh god. Pada. Cho. Pada. Hey, that's local circulation. Hey, uduku. Hey, public. Hey, padra, pada paka. Road kya varudilla antriba. Veetukku vitturunga, veetukku vittanda. Padra. We don't know whether we are taking the fastest route or the longest route because from our home it showed 300 kilometers and we have done 300 and we have another 80 more kilometers to reach Pondicherry. The main thing is like we are burning time traveling through the main streets of the town where there is much traffic and crowded. So it is burning quite a good amount of time. Suppose this, let's see what time we reach to our hotel in Pondicherry. The trip here is so far 330 kilometers and another 40 would add up to 375. There are two ways to reach Pondicherry from Bangalore. One is through Ranipet, which the road which we came now, and it is 50 kilometers more than the regular Tirunelveli route, but we thought we'll go in NH and then take a diversion towards state highways. But unfortunately the time is same, but in real time it is different. In real time I would prefer Tirunelveli route because we reach much earlier in that rather than going for a bigger loop of traveling through Ranipet and coming down via Dindivanam and reaching Pondicherry. Pondicherry is straight. Finally we got NH where we can cruise for the next 40 kilometers to reach Pondicherry. After around 150 or 100 kilometers of state highways, passing through all the small towns, markets, and this feels so peaceful to ride on this road. Finally, damn on the road la. నీళ్ళు నిండిపోతా ఉంది రే. ఓవర్ఫ్లోయింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ మ్యాన్? అంటే ఫ్లో అవుతా ఉందిరా ఈ పక్క ఇట్లా డౌన్లా. Finally, after 370 kilometers of long ride, we are entering Pondicherry. Krishna, how are you feeling it? A small room tour. This comfortable room for 2 people, and it's all messed up because of our luggage. Please don't mind that. And let me show you the washroom. The washroom is decent enough. Most important thing. Yeah. And they have a large mirror. Hi. Let's go.